in those scenarios that you physically have to measure out, with different measurement tools, and then a draftsman would draw up exactly a picture. So it is very time intensive. There's lots of detail that you can appreciate on a picture like we're looking at that could be missed. So depending on what you would look at. So normally you start with only the building envelope, and then maybe the elements of the structural frame. But as you move into the more details, it's easy to miss information. So you either have to spend more time to develop a more detailed view, and then fly home, and then post-process all of that information into a 3D model. Going into elements like, the moment when you get home, it's possible that you have missed crucial elements of the measurements or one or two pieces of the puzzle. And that meant either an incomplete model or some inaccuracies that you have to live with, or at worst, a team that have to fly out again and make sure that those pieces that was missed was captured properly. So you can appreciate that there's a lot of cost involved, a lot of time involved, time and resources to get the physical person with the technical skills to complete this information.